Welcome back to Science Spotlight, where we bring cutting-edge research straight to your ears.
I'm Alex, and joining me today is Dr. Maya Patel, an immunologist from Rockefeller University.
Thanks for being here, Maya. Let's start with the headline. A new CD40 antibody called 2141V11 has taken some aggressive cancers into remission in a tiny clinical trial.
That's right. In a phase I study of just 12 patients, melanoma, renal cell carcinoma, breast cancer, and others, 6 saw their tumor shrink, and 2 actually went into complete remission.
And the magic isn't that it works better than older CD40 drugs, it's how it was engineered and delivered.
Exactly. Traditional CD40 antibodies were given intravenously, but because CD40 is on many healthy cells, they caused severe inflammation, low platelets, and liver toxicity.
The Ravitch lab redesigned the antibody to bind more tightly to human CD40 and added an Fc region that helps it cross-link receptors in a safer way.
They also changed the route of administration, injecting directly into a tumor instead of pumping it into the bloodstream.
That local injection limits systemic exposure, so patients didn't experience the serious side effects seen with earlier trials.
But here's the kicker. Even though only one tumor was injected, other tumors elsewhere in the body shrank or disappeared.
It's a classic abscopal effect. Local treatment triggers a systemic immune response.
When they looked at the tumors under a microscope, they saw a whole new microenvironment, dendritic cells, T cells, and mature B cells forming structures that look like tiny lymph nodes, tertiary lymphoid structures.
Those TLS are linked to better outcomes with immunotherapy, so their presence suggests the drug is turning the tumor into an immune training ground.
The 2 patients who went into complete remission both had high T cell clonality at baseline, meaning they already had a robust pool of cancer-specific killers.
That gives us a hint about biomarkers. Perhaps we can predict who will respond by looking at their immune repertoire before treatment.
And the work doesn't stop there. The same antibody is now in larger phase, I/DI trials at Memorial Sloan Kettering and Duke University, testing it against bladder, prostate, glioblastoma, and more, nearly 200 participants so far.
If these studies confirm the early promise, we could have a new class of CD40 agonists that are both powerful and safe.
It's an exciting step forward in cancer immunotherapy, turning a once disappointing drug into a potential life-saving treatment.
That's all for today's episode. Thanks again to Dr. Patel for breaking down this breakthrough.
And thank you, listeners. Stay curious and stay tuned for more science stories on Science Spotlight.